Stop whining about mortgage rates. Interest rates are where they are, you can't control them, and waiting around for the perfect rate may keep you stuck for years. Here's the truth. If you're waiting for rates to drop before you move, you probably don't need to move. You just want to move. There's a difference. Some people genuinely need to make a move. You may have accepted a new job in another city. You may need to move closer to aging parents so you can help take care of them. Health problems may make it difficult or unsafe to continue living in a two-story house. A death in the family may require an inherited property to be sold. A divorce may mean the family home needs to be sold so both people can move forward. Or your family may be growing and the home that once worked well simply doesn't have enough space anymore. Those are real-life reasons to move. And when life says it's time to move, sitting on the sidelines waiting for a lower interest rate usually doesn't solve the underlying problem. Now, maybe you don't have to move. Maybe you'd simply like a larger kitchen, a better backyard, another bedroom, or a different neighborhood. That's perfectly reasonable. But be honest about what's holding you back. Is the payment truly outside your budget, or have interest rates simply become a convenient reason to postpone making a decision? The 2 and 3% mortgage rates people remember during the pandemic were historically low. They were not normal, and there's no guarantee or probability we'll see anything like them again. Today's rates may feel high compared with those record lows, but they are not historically extreme. So instead of trying to predict what the Federal Reserve, the bond market, or mortgage rates will do next, focus on the part you can actually control, your budget. Start by talking with a reputable local mortgage lender. Don't begin by asking, "What interest rate can you give me?" Tell the lender what monthly payment you are comfortable making. Tell them how much money you're willing to use for a down payment. Talk through your expected taxes, homeowners insurance, mortgage insurance, and any homeowners association fees. Then let the lender calculate the price range that fits your actual budget. That's a much better approach than picking a home price first and hoping the payment works later. Once you know your comfortable price range, contact your realtor. Give them the numbers your lender provided, then start looking at homes that fit both your needs and your payment. You may discover that you can comfortably make the move today. You may need to adjust the neighborhood, the size of the home, or some of the features you originally wanted. Or you may decide that staying where you are is still the smartest financial decision. All three of those are legitimate outcomes. But make the decision using real numbers, not headlines, predictions, or conversations about what rates might do 6 months from now. And remember this, buying a home is not only an interest rate decision, it's also a family decision, a career decision, a health decision, a lifestyle decision, and sometimes a decision that simply cannot be postponed. You can't control interest rates. You can control how much you borrow. You can control your down payment. You can control the price range you search. You can control which home you choose. And you can control whether the payment fits your household budget. So stop waiting for a mortgage rate that may never arrive. Figure out what you can comfortably afford. Find a house you love. And when the right home and the right payment come together, make your move. If you're thinking about buying, selling, relocating, or downsizing in the Huntsville area, a short conversation can help you replace the guesswork with a practical plan. Schedule your free 20-minute strategy call using the link in the description.